Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your existing account on Ubisoft. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in ubisoft.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Ubisoft website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the account icon at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials. After logging in, you will be taken back into the homepage. Now, if you wish to delete your account and not use Ubisoft Connect anymore, then click on the account icon once again at the top right and then click on Account Management. From the Account Management page, click on Account Information and then you can scroll all the way down and you will now see the Close Your Ubisoft Account option. Go ahead and click on Close and you might be asked to confirm your identity in order to close your account. Click on I have read the information and I want to continue. After you click on Close My Account, you will need to verify that this is actually you who is trying to close your account. You can do this by using your email address, your phone number, or any other authentication method. After you verify your identity, you will be logged out from your Ubisoft account and your account will be scheduled for deletion. After this, you will simply need to stay logged out for another 30 days. If you change your mind before 30 days has passed, then you will still have an option to reactivate your account by simply logging in. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your existing account on Ubisoft. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.